India will have more than 2 billion vaccine doses by December to inoculate its citizens against the virus. India's top government advisor made the announcement on a Thursday.
सर दिसंबर के बीच में 216 करोड़ अगर हम इस सीन को लेकर चले डोजेस भारत में निर्मित होंगी। अब इसमें रिस्क उतना माइनस कर दीजिए, बट टू बी प्राउड टू से दैट 2 बिलियन डोजेस इन अ मैटर ऑफ 7-6 months or 5 months actually will be made in India for India, for people of India. तो इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं होनी चाहिए कि वैक्सीन will be available for all as we move forward.
Now, assurance from the Indian government comes as more and more states complain of vaccine shortage. In the daily health briefing, V.K. Paul, a member of India's Planning Commission, said that more vaccines will be available for future use apart from Covishield and Covaxin. Now, as per the Indian Health Ministry, 8 vaccines will be available in India between August and December. These include AstraZeneca and Serum Institute's Covishield, Bharat Biotech's Covaxin, the BioEast vaccine Novavax Sputnik V, Bharat Biotech intranasal vaccine, a Genova mRNA vaccine, and Zydus Cadila DNA jab. Now, the Indian Health Ministry has not included COVID vaccines by Pfizer, Moderna, Johnson & Johnson and Sinopharm in the vaccine availability tally. Paul said that the government is in talks with the manufacturers and have officially asked the firms if they would like to send their doses or manufacture in India. Now, earlier in April, the Indian government approved recommendation for emergency use of COVID jabs approved by US, Europe, Japan and the UK. Indian states are also planning to float international tenders to procure COVID vaccines. Now, the government of Uttar Pradesh has said that it will spend over $1 billion to buy these jabs. Earlier this week, the state government also held early talks with companies such as Pfizer and the local distributor of Russia's Sputnik V. Sharing some much-needed good news, Paul also said that the consignments of Sputnik V have arrived in India and the Russian jab will be available in the market from next week. India is currently battling its second deadly wave of COVID infections. Successful implementation of vaccine plan will offer India some respite as well as aid its battle against the virus. India started its mega vaccination drive in January. Until now, it is using Oxford AstraZeneca's Covishield and India's indigenous Covaxin. India is one of the few countries around the world where all adults are eligible for getting the jab against COVID-19. India had administered over 170 million vaccine doses till Wednesday. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.